Are you like John, managing over 100 properties manually and feeling overwhelmed? Constant phone calls and emails from tenants, missed maintenance requests, and endless spreadsheets sound familiar? Tracking rent payments and due dates manually is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Remembering important dates for inspections and lease renewals adds to the chaos. The mountain of paperwork never ends, making it easy to lose vital information. All this stress is taking a toll on John's well-being and preventing him from growing his business. But then John found Srinivasan Software Solutions. Our advanced software helped John identify revenue leakage through detailed reports. He easily reconciled amounts between bank statements and reports, ensuring accuracy and transparency. With automated follow-ups and reminders, John no longer worries about missed communications. Our software studies market trends, allowing John to offer competitive pricing and cut costs, boosting his profits by 20%. Now John spends more time with his family, stress-free and confident in his business. Transform your property management experience with Srinivasan Software Solutions. Visit our website for further information and contact us today to learn more and schedule a demo.